Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn animations using CSS. Very simply, I'll explain you. CSS allows animation of HTML elements without help of JavaScript also. So Flash elements or JavaScript may require to create more animations. However, in CSS, by using keyframes to hold some styles to create wonderful animations as well. So what are animations? An animation let as an element regularly change from one style to another style. These transitions you can also change as many CSS properties if you want to apply to get more beautification and more animations you need. Using CSS animation, you must first specify some keyframes for the animation to apply, which element to animate. So for let's create first div tag and what the requirements are it. Then we'll try to put keyframes to the box. Keyframes hold what style the element will have in a certain times it will be give us. So the keyframes will be setized from 0 to 100%. Based on this journey, at which percentage it should be turned into the different colors or different animation types and all it will shows. How these things will follow, we'll see one by one. So I'm simply creating a div element like div element. For this div only, I'm going to preparing our animation techniques. So let's quickly, I'll write here for only div element we are using, no, either ID or anything you want to use, yes, you can use it. So width for the div is 70 or 80 px I'm taking, and height also like it's in a box, 60 px I'm taking. Once these two are completed, I'm issuing background color. So the background color it is something green will take. Yes, green, yellow, green, green I'm taking. And position for this relative position, and animation name I'm giving animation hyphen name. Animation name I'm giving like it is in a box, and animation duration, these are the properties are already there, 4 or 5 seconds. You may put your own seconds. Animation iteration count, this property infinite, initial, infinite, we may take it. So these many properties I have issued for this div element. So let's see, yeah, the box is appeared here. So making an animation to control this box, we add keyframes. I told you, no? So keyframes would be written like keyframes box. The keyframes like ideology we are putting like a box. So now let's see, at 0%, where is the percentage? Yes, at 0% I want to present like a background color would be red, and left only, like a left only means I'm putting as a 0. So top on this angle for this box would be 0 px. Alright, these are the things I have given for 0 position. So now I'm taking, for quickly completion of this code, I'm taking copy of this line, paste here. At 25%, background color should be turned into yellow, green or yellow, and left 200% like 200 px, and the top is 0 px. So the next one I'm putting it is like a 50%, we may take it, or 35, intermediary also you may write, no issue. So the color I am turning into blue or something else, left again 0 px, and the top it is, now we are moving and it is like a 200%. I'm making a top, like a shuffling from one place to another place. This way we are trying to putting. So left also I'm putting 200 and this is 200. So now again 75% is there. So the 75% background color blue to green will take, and it is 0, and the top is 200%. px we may put, and 100% when it is reached, not 100, yes, we may take, which is again red. Okay, so 0 normal position, how it is the home position, it's a 0. So the keyframes, let's save it and let's check with this box what happening here. So the animation name is box, we have given the same name we have given at the keyframes. Let's save this perfectly and run it. Wow, how we place an animation around the box is moving. 25%, 50% is completed, 100% is completed, and surrounded the position is making relative position and making the circles. See, animation iteration count is infinite, means keep on, it will iterates. If you want to put any image inside the box, you can add it. If you want to change the different box images in different intervals, you can add it. At the position wise you may change and add as you wish to make more animation this particular box, you wish to apply more and more. Important thing you should know and understand, this complete, like this example doesn't work in Internet Explorer 9 or earlier versions. Earlier means old. So you try to check with that which version is going to be applied, and if it is a internet like a latest modern browsers of Google, such browsers will happily work with that. So try to learn more animations using CSS. I will catch you in next lecture. Thank you.